2. אלפא 1.
1 אלפא. 2 בעקובה. מעולה.
אלפא 3. כל מחורק.
4 במצב. אלפא גם מ4.
פשוט לנתק. מנותק השרצת. נכון לניתוק? מנותק השרצת. נבחרת השם לעזור בהצלחה. מחזיקים ידיים.
يا نسيم يا نسيم الدنيا حرقانة لا إله إلا الله هربوا لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله
רוסיות צבא. מה זה? זה מטעמים, זה הם רואים אותם, נראות. כולם רואים אותם. בעצם מה שרואים פה בתוך הערכה זה שני מטוסי שביט.
Over the last 9 months, the Houthi terrorist group, Iran's terror proxy in Yemen, has launched over 200 aerial attacks against Israeli civilians and infrastructures. On Friday morning, in one of these UAV attacks, the Houthis fired an Iranian explosive UAV from Yemen into Israeli territory. The UAV hit an apartment building in the center of Tel Aviv, near the U.S. Embassy branch office in the city, killing an Israeli civilian, 50-year-old Evgeny Feder, and injuring several others. The Houthis' attacks are acts of aggression, a violation of international law, and a threat to the international peace and security. Today, Israel stepped up its actions in self-defense against these attacks. The Israeli Air Force conducted precise strikes on Houthi military targets in Yemen. The military target was the El Hudaydah port, used by the Houthis as a main supply route for the transfer of Iranian weapons from Iran to Yemen, like the UAV itself that was used in the attack on Friday morning. In the area of the port, the Israeli Air Force struck dual-use infrastructure used for terrorist activities, including energy infrastructures. Israel's necessary and proportionate strikes were carried out in order to stop the Houthi terror attacks. However, this threat goes far beyond Israel. The Houthis target other countries in the Middle East, the United States of America, and the world with their attacks on international shipping in the Red Sea, and not just the Red Sea. Who is behind the Houthis? One country, Iran. The Iranian regime funds, arms, and directs the Houthi terror activity. Israel is fighting a multi-front war against Iran's aggression proxies, Hamas in Gaza, Hezbollah in Lebanon, Iranian militias in Syria and Iraq, and the Houthis in Yemen. The International Maritime Coalition, led by United States Central Command, as well as the IDF, have stopped many of those Houthis' attacks in recent months. We see common interests for all countries attacked by Iranian-backed Houthi terrorism to stand together against this threat. Today, this was an IDF-only action. I want to repeat it. Today, this was an IDF-only action. We will continue to defend the people of Israel from all threats, near and far.